K40T-MINI Quick Start Guide. In the box includes K40T-MINI Quad-Sensor Gimbal Camera, aluminum standoffs, mounting screws, spare damping balls, anti-vibration kit, power and data cable, anti-vibration kit pre-installed on the gimbal at the factory. Before we begin, please prepare the following tools: a Windows PC, an adjustable DC regulated power supply, and a power cable. First step, connect the power. The gimbal recommended voltage is 12V 18V. Excessive voltage or reverse polarity will damage the device. Connect black to negative and red to positive. Confirm the wiring, then plug the power cable into the rear of the gimbal. Once powered on, the gimbal will start its self-check. Each axis will rotate in turn before final centering. Once the gimbal is completely still and remains level, the self-test is successful and the system has started normally. Next, connect the gimbal to the PC via network cable. First, set up your computer's IP address as shown. Open the official assistant software, switch the language to English, and select your gimbal model. The live view from the gimbal will now be displayed on the screen. Users can select either a serial port or UDP connection mode based on actual requirements. For this video, we will focus on the UDP connection. Turn on the UDP switch, and you can now use the software to experience all the gimbal's features. Gimbal settings. Use the control buttons to adjust the gimbal angle, control the zoom, and trigger range finding. When using the rangefinder, make sure the target is more than 3 meters away from the gimbal. Camera settings. You can configure various settings, including the video bitrate, preview resolution, video output, and temperature measurement. If you are using SPUS to control the gimbal camera, you can configure the channel settings here. Once the channels are set, click right to apply and save the configuration. Click Read to retrieve the current mapping status. IP settings. You can configure the IP address based on your specific needs. Tracking settings. Box tracking. Drag a box around the target object to enable automatic tracking. AI tracking. Select the required model first, then enable detection and tracking. That's all for the K40T-MINI Quick Start Guide. For more detailed parameter configurations, feel free to contact HEQUAV official customer service. We are committed to providing you with full technical support.